Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit product photos on Canva. So I'm just going to go to elements here and I'm just going to type in soap bottles, or well, you're going to use your own photo for this, but I'm just going to, for instance, select this one, and I kind of want to change like the background of the photo. This already looks good because it's professional, but maybe like you took it at your home and like without a cute background. So just go to edit photo and select background remover first. I'm also just going to like crop that out. So I'm just going to actually just make it a little bit bigger. And then you're going to go to edit photo and you're going to add shadows as well, the drop shadow. You can adjust the size as well as the blur amount here, and the angle as well as the distance if you'd like to, and the intensity as well. And I'm also going to again resize that. Okay, so once you are happy with the shadows and stuff, I'm just going to go to elements again. I'm just going to find a background for instance leaves, add it and move it to the back, right click, and then select the where it, you can also just select set image as background. Hold on, did I like put it in? Yeah, okay, I did put it in. That's why I couldn't make it a background. So right click, layer, send to back. And that is it. You can add in filters if you like to, but I'm just going to leave it as is. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.